Okay, recording this video after close of trade Monday the 11th of October 2010, and we had a very quiet day on the market today. Columbus Day, suppose not unexpected that it was going to be quiet. We kind of moved around about a 4.5 point range for most of the morning, and then we had a breakout trade in the afternoon that ended up with a V reversal. Show you that in a second. So here's today's activity, only about just under 1 million contracts traded, 0.9 million contracts traded. Ended up being a low volume bar on better volume up here at these highs. So, kind of watching out, because we'll get some no supply type signals that come out from this. So, if this is a top and we get a little bit of a retracement over the next couple of days, that's a possibility. Just show you the 1500 tip bar chart here. We kind of batted backwards and forwards between these cyclical highs and lows for most of the day, and then at the end of the day we had this kind of breakdown trade. I actually had to go to the airport this morning, and so missed the first hour of trade, and then I saw it was moving so slowly I didn't bother to do anything until saw this kind of trade setting up coming into lunchtime, which is probably it was a bad time of day to enter the market. But on the 500 and 1500 tip bar chart we had these flush signals here, and you could see at 64 we're having difficulty kind of coming through. We'd had professional selling there kind of previously, had a Rambo pattern here, so I thought that was a good opportunity just if there might be some kind of breakdown. Went through a little bit of rubbish here, kind of backwards and forwards, but as soon as we saw this exhaustion buying signal here on the 1500 tip bar chart, we just sold off very quickly after that, and this move got going very quickly. For me, I got out at 1160, so just here, just because I saw these exhaustion selling signals here. There was another couple of points in it, but happy to be out with 3 there. But then very strange activity at the end of the day. After this kind of exhaustion selling at this point, we just made a V reversal right the way back up to where we kind of started at 1163. So very kind of a strange pattern at the end of the day. In terms of the long-term charts, on the 40,500 tip bar chart, we're at a cyclical turning point. We're still kind of moving down into a with a downswing on the cyclical better sine wave indicator. So I'd expect some weakness, but we have seen now kind of exhaustion selling on the 4500 tip bar chart at this kind of 1158 type level. So let's see where that takes us tomorrow. If you want to watch the rest of this video, I've just got the real-time kind of video of that 3-point trade. Otherwise, good luck with your trading on Tuesday. Okay, we're just short at 1163, and the reason for this trade is we've had a whole bunch of flush signals come up on the 500 and 1500 tip bar chart. Today's activity was going to be slow as Columbus Day, so we've been trading within about 4 or 5 point range from kind of 60.5 up to 65. And we've kind of formed a double top on the 1500 tip bar chart, and you can see every time we've kind of come up to these highs, we've had kind of professionals getting short 64.50. The next time we kind of came up here, this little move here, 63, 64, and then a Rambo pattern right at the end there with kind of amateurs at this high. So we've got a cyclical turning point on all our 3 time frames, 500, 1500 and 4500. And what I'd like is a nice kind of swing down, break the lows at 60.50 and go for a big move. Who knows, again, it's going to be a relatively quiet day, but this might break into a trend move. Okay, just got taken out at 1160 for 3 points. The reason for coming out right now is it's kind of getting late in the day. It's 2:34 p.m. Chicago time. Plus we've had some exhaustion selling signals on the 500 and 1500 tip bar chart here. You can see exhaustion selling here and here. We've also had kind of professional bars kind of coming in towards the low here. So and this has been a very, very, very slow day. I got short at 63 just after this kind of Rambo pattern here, where we had amateur buying into these highs, and then it just went nowhere for a couple of hours, just been sitting around here, and we finally broke this cyclical support level into a downtrend here. So we're now at 59.50. Fair enough, didn't quite hit my target, but 3 points is good. So we're out and not bad on a slow day like today.